I'm Chris.
And I'm Tova, and welcome to Chris and Tova's Amazing Adventures. Today we're outside with our Ford Escape and we're installing a new roof rack.
It's a RHINO rack.
And we need this roof rack so that we can support the rooftop tent that we're getting for our Pan American adventure. So soon we're heading to Nicaragua driving, and we're going to be staying in a rooftop tent as much as we can. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're enjoying our content, click the link in the description to buy us a cup of coffee. That just helps support content creation. If you're buying a rooftop tent, you'll want to ensure your roof rack can support the tent weight and you inside. Pick out your tent first and then shop for a new roof rack if needed. The tent specs will tell you the required crossbar width, max parked and driving weight required. Start by pulling everything out of the boxes and set aside. Be sure to hang on to the metal rack keys and the blue rail keys, which you'll find inside the rail itself. Remove your old rack if you have one.
Use the pre-existing rail holes or drill new holes if the roof did not previously have a rack installed. This is explained in the instructions.
Clean your roof well before installing your new RHINO rack and touch up any chipped or missing paint to prevent rust.
Add the cushioned adhesive squares to the rail and remove the paper coating from the side of the rails and the squares. Position the rail to line up with the holes on the roof. Tighten with a screwdriver. Install the end cap on the rails and install screws in each end of the roof rack rails. Ensure all screws are tight.
Add the 4 silver anchor nuts, 2 near the front and 2 near the back of each rail. This is where you'll be attaching the crossbar hardware. Fasten the black bracket using 2 screws and 2 of the silver anchor nuts. The instructions will tell you which 2 of the 3 holes to add the screws. It depends on your rack. Next, you're going to snap in the rest of the crossbar bracket. Unlock the access panel first. Don't forget to add the squishy black spacer. It goes into the 3rd hole of the bracket, the one with no screw. It helps to decrease vibration when driving. When it's snapped in, you'll feel and hear a strong snap or click to let you know that it's locked in place. Once you're done, add the access panel back and lock it.
Now you're ready to install the crossbars. Start by removing the rubber strips inside the crossbar. There are two different kinds. One set will be made of plastic and will have measurements imprinted on it, and the other will be a thicker rubber with grooves to add grip to the top of your roof rack. Install the crossbar mounts. Don't fully tighten them. You'll need to adjust the position once installed on the roof. Firmly connect the crossbar to the roof.
Now it's time to measure, double, and triple check. You want the crossbar to have the same amount of overhang from the bracket on each side of the vehicle. You can use the black plastic measuring strip, but we found a regular tape measure easier to use. Tighten down the brackets fully once you're happy with the measurement. Add in the plastic measuring rubber strip at the bottom of the rail and trim to fit. Complete this process for the second crossbar. Finish by installing the end cap to the crossbars and lock with the blue key.
The final step is adding the rubber strips to the top of the crossbars. They decrease vibration and slippage of your load. It turned really cold the day we installed our RHINO rack, so we decided to wait for a nicer day. These just pop in with only a little bit of extra effort.
Our rooftop tent is arriving soon, so check back to our channel to watch the video about the tent install. Be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. See you on the next amazing adventure.